Back in 1988, we were just a very small company, 6 to 10 employees. Today we have over 80 employees. We sell all over the US into Canada, and we also do some exporting. I think the biggest difference from Sheoga from some other manufacturers is that we're known for a high quality mill. We're not the cheapest product in the market by no means, but we try to produce one, if not the best product. Probably the biggest problem was not live inventory. Orders would get put in the system, the work orders get sent to the shop, but there was no visibility. And all of a sudden the order was due and there was nothing to kind of trace it.
A lot of the data was in the past. By the time that we needed it, it was already past the time that we got it. We were overselling stuff because we didn't have the right inventory figures. Month-end reporting was a lot harder. You had to do it on the day of.
Another reason that we did not like Macola was because of the difficulty of using it. The data was there, but to retrieve it and filter it out was just so difficult. With Acumatica, number one is true accurate data. And with going from Macola to Acumatica, there was a transition period where trust had to be earned from the staff. Over a period of time, they realized, these numbers are accurate. We can trust them.
When a kiln charge is being processed, the material is being entered into the system live. So as soon as it comes off the conveyor belt, the salesman can sell it. They know the material's there to sell.
Month-end closes, everything is right there for us. I'm able to reconcile the banks the next day.
We have a new employee navigating the system so easily now. With our old software, Macola, it would have taken her at least 3 weeks to feel comfortable.
As far as the implementation of the software system, we had a great partner, Parallel Solutions. Their knowledge in the system, I was impressed by their availability. I know there was times that I called them on weekends, late at night. Great people, great company, great partner.
Some of the factors that were really important to Sheoga were inventory control. Also because they make custom flooring, they had to have a really strong product configurator, so that was another factor.
The Product Configurator, it is a game changer for us. It would take me a while to get that information from the salesman. Now, the salesmen create the part number, and then once it's created, that information is there. The bill of material pulls the correct material, reserves it so that other salesmen don't try to sell that material.
If you're looking for something user-friendly and versatile, Acumatica, that's the place to go.
Our salesman does not like change. Within 2 weeks of us being live, he was in my office saying, "Oh my God, this is so great. This is so easy."
I would definitely recommend Acumatica to any small, mid-sized business that definitely needs some help with the inventory tracking and item replenishment. It has been probably the best feature for us.
We have a very ambitious growth plan for the company. I don't believe that it would even be feasible without having good numbers and good software system to help us grow into that.